Rani Mukherjee is known for her beautiful eye look. It's always smoked out, black, and you requested me to do it. So why not? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create Rani Mukherjee's iconic eye look. It might not be the same, but I'm going to try my best to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. To start off, we're going to go in with the Trini London concealer in the shade Santa, and we're going to prime the eyelids. This helps neutralize any darkness. Do that near the lower lash line too. With the ColourPop New Moon collection and the shade You're Sorta Beautiful, and with the ColourPop E2 brush, let's dab that onto the lid. Build up the color as much as you like. And apply that on the lower lash line too. Now with the shade Marry Me and with the Sigma E25 brush, we're going to apply that just on this 1/4 part of the eye. Start from the bottom and move it upwards. Rani Mukherjee always goes from dark near the lashes and lighter as we go up to the brow bone. So that's what we're going to be doing. Again, this is my interpretation of her eye look. And now blend out those colors together. Now with the ColourPop E9 brush and with the shade Your Everything from the palette, let's do the same thing. Start from the bottom, moving upwards. You don't want to go any higher than the previous shade. The key is to have all these shades blended out together so that it looks seamless. Build up the color as much as you like. And now with any blending brush, blend those colors together. Do the exact same thing on the lower lash line too. This makes the entire look a bit more cohesive. With the shade Soul Reader and with the ColourPop E18 brush, let's apply that closest to the lash line. Go in with a blending brush and blend that out again. This is step 1. Step 2 involves going back into Soul Reader again and building up the color on the previous color. This will give a more smoked out look, but it will also be blended. And again, let's blend that out together. With the same shade, Soul Reader, you want to apply that to the lower lash line. Try to use a pencil brush for this one. And go in with the shade Your Everything and blend that out on the lower lash line. Here's an optional step for you. You can go in with an ink liner like the NYX one, and what you can do is you can just tap this close to the lash line. I feel it just deepens out the black even more. And now with any kohl pencil, I'm using the one from Hourglass, we're going to apply that on the waterline. Tightline the upper lash line. And don't forget to curl those lashes. Going in with the L'Oreal Panorama mascara, I'm going to apply that on the lashes. You can apply falsies too, but that's completely up to you. And that's the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this Rani Mukherjee eye look that I've created. I really was inspired by her. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.